What is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to try to find a good product to sell on Amazon using Helium10 black box. Now you don't have to have Helium10 to follow along. You can use this criteria in your own product research software. I prefer Helium10 because I've been using it for a while. I like the accuracy and all the tools that it comes with, but you could use whatever software you want. So hopefully we could find a good product in this video so you could see what I look for and kind of hear me brainstorm as I'm doing my own product research. Now before we get into it, I just wanted to mention I did notice that over half of you watching my content are not even subscribed to my channel. And I was thinking like, should I even do YouTube anymore? Do I even help people learn anything? I'm just joking about that, but make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. Drop a comment down below if you want to see me do any future videos on any topics. And if you do all of those things, I do a giveaway at the end of the month where I announce a random winner from the comment section and I give them my Amazon FBA course or a $100 prize if they don't want the course. So just by commenting, liking, subscribing, you do have a chance to win something. But enough of this boring talk, let's get into the computer right now and try to find a good product to sell on Amazon. So I pulled up Helium10 right here and we're using their product research tool called Black Box. And it's a pretty powerful tool because it filters through the millions of products on Amazon so we could find a product quicker. But you could use a lot of different product research methods. In the course, I have about 4 or 5 different methods, but this is one of them and I'm going to show you what I do. So hopefully you could try the same. So I use the keywords tab. So we're trying to find a product based on the keyword data. So I put a minimum of 7,000 right here. That means the product that we find is going to have a main keyword with a search volume of over 7,000 monthly searches on Amazon. So that's what I put in that section. And then I come over here to the monthly revenue and I put in 6,000. Now you could put more, you could put less. It just depends on how much money you want that product to make. If you're trying to quit your job or if you just want to have a side income, you could put whatever you want in that section. It doesn't matter. Obviously, the more, the better. But then I come over here and I put the price point between $8 and $43. Again, it doesn't have to be these exact numbers, but I did realize when I launched my $1,000 experiment product, you can launch a product around $7 or $8 and still have a 50% profit margin if you have a very small and light product, and it costs under $1 to manufacture and ship to Amazon. So if you have a very cheap product and it is very small and lightweight, then you could sell it around $7 or $8 and still make a good amount of money. And then over here I have 43. The higher you go, the more budget you'll have to have because usually if it's priced higher, it costs more to manufacture. So keep that in mind when you're doing product research. And then for the review count, I put a max review count of 324. Again, you want to have a product where there's not too much competition. A lot of products have really high reviews, so I put 324 right there. But just remember, the more reviews that all of the products have, the more competitive it is and the harder it is to get your product on page 1. The bids are going to be higher for advertising. So just remember that. And then what I did was I come down here and I type in different holidays that we're searching around. So right now it's around Valentine's Day. So I'll put Valentine's right here. I also put sheets, bed, pillow, towel, whatever pops up frequently that you don't want to see, you want to just put it right here. So if it's like a curtain or like a iPhone case or Samsung case or anything Samsung related, you could put any big brands right here. So it's going to get those out of the way so you could find better products to sell. And then the only other thing I did was I came down here to competitor reviews. Now I always put a number right here in the minimum. So this means that at least 3 people on page 1 are going to have less than 50 reviews. So this is a very powerful section of Black Box. And I always use it during my product research because that means it won't be hard to get on page 1. It's less competitive because there are sellers on page 1 with low reviews. All right, so I did all that. I'm going to hit search and now I'm going to scroll through all of these products. It's probably going to take me a little time, so I'm not going to let the video run. I'm going to fast forward until I find a decent product, if I can even find one. All right, so here I go. All right, guys, so I found one on the bottom of page 7. It's a diaper bag with changing station. Now, if we go on Amazon and just type in diaper bag, it is probably very competitive, so I'm going to pull it up right here. And yeah, so a lot of these sellers, this one has over 14,000 reviews. So diaper bags, you would not want to compete in this market, but this is a diaper bag with changing station. Over 9,000 people are searching this long tail keyword. That means there's more than a couple keywords in the phrase. And then right here, they're selling it for $42. So the price point is a little high. So you're probably going to need more money to budget, but I'll show you a little tip in a little bit. They're making over $12,000 a month with only 90 reviews. And one other thing I like like to do while I'm looking at this information is look at the search volume history for this main keyword. So I'm gonna hit this little blue arrow right here, and we could see in the last year it's been on the uptrend since May 1st. So you could see back here there's less than 1,000 people searching this product on Amazon, and then over the months it's just been growing. And then if I go to all time, you could see there's like no search volume back here. So I'm guessing it has to do with whatever's going around in the world right now. There is COVID, so a lot of the bathrooms were closed, so people had to change their babies. So we don't know if this is going to be a trend that sticks around or if it's like a new type of product. But looking at this, there is demand right now, but after COVID, we might see that demand drop off. So just keep those things in mind when you're doing product research to make sure it's not seasonal or a trend. And I also look at Google Trends as well, but this is pretty good data right here. You could see how many times people are searching this on Amazon and the different dates. But I'm still gonna pull it up on Amazon right here, and we will see what the product actually is. Okay, so here it is, diaper bag with changing station. These are all sponsored, so you wanna go to the first organic ranked product. This one has 593 reviews, which isn't bad compared to a lot of other products who have thousands of reviews. And this one right here in the third position only has 14 reviews. This one only has 7 reviews. This one only has 5 reviews. It's sponsored, but a lot of these don't even have reviews on them, and they're on page 1 for that main keyword. So now we're gonna check the revenue on these sellers and see if they're actually making any money using Helium10 X-ray. So I'm gonna run it right now. And I like to see a lot of sellers on page 1 with low reviews. That means it's easy to rank on that page. You're not going to be competing with really high bids. Okay, so it pulled up right here. This one with only 17 reviews is doing $2,800 a month. This is that top seller. This one with only 14 reviews is doing over $16,000 a month in revenue. 7 reviews, they're doing over $11,000 a month in revenue. 0 reviews, they're doing $2,000 to $5,000 a month. This one only has 4 reviews and they're doing $5,000. 53 reviews, they're doing over $20,000 a month in revenue, so I'm liking what I'm seeing. One thing to keep in mind is you see the average reviews is pretty high, but I'm guessing that it has normal diaper bags in this search. So what I do is I come down here and I see like this one right here has 14,000 reviews. I'm gonna go right here and see what it is. So this is just a basic diaper bag. It's very competitive, but we're not selling this exact model. We're gonna do one with a changing station. I hover over the number and I hit the trash can to delete that from the product research. And now you can see the average reviews got cut in half. So you always wanna get rid of the irrelevant products that aren't even related to the product that you're looking at. So you could get a true picture of the numbers on the product that you are researching. So you always wanna do that. Come down to the ones with a lot of reviews, and chances are this one is another one. It's not connected to the backpack, so it's not the same thing. So if we delete that one, it drops it down here. Okay, yeah, so it dropped it down. So basically, all of these numbers up here factor everything on that page. So just make sure that all of the products on that page are the actual product that you're gonna sell. So now we have a better picture. A lot of these sellers are on page 1 with 0 to 10 reviews. Some of them even have like 20 to 50 reviews, and they're doing great revenue. So from here, I would wanna see if I could even afford to launch this product. So now with this new feature inside of Helium10 X-ray, we click right here on source on Alibaba. And then it's gonna pull up the basic price. So right here, they're around $8 to $10. These are a little more money. This one's $6 to $10. So there is room for profit. We have to look at the FBA fees, which is right here. And it looks like they're around $10 to $20 for the FBA fees. So we'd have to look at the FBA revenue calculator, get a price from the manufacturer, and then see if there's enough margin to sell that product. I always try to have at least a 30% profit margin after the cost of goods and the shipping from China to Amazon. And then after Amazon's fees, like the FBA fee, the referral fee. And then I always want to factor in the storage fees as well, so I don't get hit with any hidden charges. Again, this is a larger product, so I would probably not go with this one because of the storage space. But there is opportunity. Like this one only has 2 reviews and they're doing $2,400 a month. Like 9 reviews, 14,000. I know I already said all this, but I like when I find products like this in a short amount of time. Again, it's up to you if you want to launch a product like this. You will need a larger budget, but we don't know how long this product is going to do well because of COVID. Who knows, if all the bathrooms open up, then people might not need this product, or it might be a product that's here to stay. All right, so that's it for this video. I'm running out of voice, but if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe subscribe button. Like this video, drop a comment down below what you want to see me do other videos on. I will listen. I look at the comments down below, and then I also look at the comments to find a winner for the next month giveaway. So make sure to do all of that. If you're not in my Amazon FBA Facebook group and you want to join, all of my links are right down below. Helium 10 discounts are below. My Discord is down below, but you get the point. But that is it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.